Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Zebronics Zeb-fame 2.0 Multimedia speaker. So on the box we can see that this comes with aux control, volume control, and it is USB powered. On the back we can see that it is a 2.0 channel speaker. It is a USB powered speaker and it also comes with volume control. It has 5.2 centimeter drivers, two of those, one in each speaker. It has an impedance of 4 ohms, a frequency response of 180 Hz to 20 kHz, and it also has a 3.5 mm jack. The weight of these speakers is 412 grams for both of them. Now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. So there's nothing really else in the box. You just have the speakers. There's no manual or any such thing. So let's open up the speakers and see what we have here. So now let's look at the speakers. We've taken them out of their plastic wrapping. So as you can see, these are pretty standard dual channel speakers. They have a 2.0 configuration, so it's just these two. You can see the Zebronics logo right here and this grill. And at the back, you don't really have anything. You just have a textured kind of pattern right here. And the same goes for this speaker as well. Now these connect to this volume module. So this is where you can increase and decrease the volume from. And then this goes into a USB-A port as well as a 3.5 mm jack, which is an aux connection. So you connect both of these to your PC and then you can actually play these on. So these can't be connected to your smartphone since they are USB powered, so they need to have a USB connection to play any sound at all. So these are very conventional PC speakers. It can even be used in a home theater system if you so desire to. And that's about it. They're pretty standard. So this was the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb-fame 2.0 multimedia speaker. Thank you so much for watching this video.